is Reflections by Jane. I've got a card making video for you for Alina Craft, and it's using this stamp, die and stencil set, and they are hydrangeas. They're absolutely beautiful. I absolutely love hydrangeas. I think they look gorgeous. So I'm going to be using as it's intended, so I'll stamp, stencil and die cut, but I will only stencil and just stencil the leaves onto a background. Just see in a minute. I have to apologise for the quality of the video. There are a few instances of autofocus not behaving, and so apologies for that, but you can see what I'm doing. Yes, so I'll also be using some pattern paper that I received from Alina to decorate the inside of my card. I'll also stamp inside it as well. So yeah, grab a cuppa, sit back, hopefully you'll enjoy it, and if you do have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll visit Alina's channel every so often just to make sure there's nothing new. And yeah, or you can also visit my channel, Reflections by Jane, and there is an email address on my channel if you want to email me personally. Yeah, so sit back and enjoy, grab a cuppa. Hopefully you'll enjoy this one, and yeah, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care of each other. Bye for now.
second, I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Close your eyes for a minute, close your eyes for a second, I won't change my mind. What does getting deep now? What does getting deep now? Follow me around, yeah. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Baby, let me down. Can you let me down? Please don't let me down. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Please don't let me down. Yeah, 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 yeah. Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't want